Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can get this flower belly button piercing on Dress to Impress. So if you're in the section, you're just going to walk here. So I already know about this one, which is like the heart-shaped one, but I actually just knew about the other one, which is the kind of like flower shaped one that looks like the necklace. So you're just going to go here and you're going to you're going to select this one. It's pretty well, you can probably see it, but I couldn't see it all this time. Then you're just going to want to add that to your model. And I think it's a little bit better if you use the patterns instead to change the color so it looks brighter. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.